General Technologies Private Limited. In this video, I'm going to share the modules that you will learn while doing this creative certification exam. After completion of this creative certification, you will able to study the results that have been taken from the Google Analytics and the insights from this Google Analytics, and study the results with great accuracy, so that you will get to know what type of behaviors exhibited by your customers. Let's dive into this creative topic. Get started with Studio. Studio makes it simple to build and manage rich media and creatives for campaign management, display, and video 360. Here, the studio is the thing which we can which in which we can see the results results of website visitors like that. Let me show you the example. For example, I am going into this Google Analytics thing. After going into this Google Analytics thing, we will able to see some formats of displaying the results by the Google Analytics that has been developed by itself through machine learning tools. My website has been already registered with this Google Analytics. In a customization tab, under the customization tab, there is a dashboard. After going into the dashboard, you can see audience overview, acquisitions overview. This is the this is the studio where the analytics will show the results of our show the results of the performance of our website. Let me open this audience overview. It redirects into Google Data Studio. I think you all know that what is meant by studio, right? The studio. This is the Google Analytics Studio, in which it will showcase the results that have results of our website traffic and insights that that are got into our website. How Studio streamlines your whole creative process. How to build basic creatives in a studio. Get started in Studio. Add a creative in Studio. By creating this Google Ads account, Google Marketing Platform account, you are in addition, you are able to you're able to get all the products of a Google Marketing Platform, like Campaign Manager 360, Google Analytics, such as 360 display and video 360, etc. and etc. You will get these type of products in the as a part of a Google Marketing Platform. In each and every product that is given by the marketing platform, you will be able to see the results in a studio that enables you to analyze the results of your website traffic and performance of your ads, and what type of pages are visited by your customers more frequently. Like that, you will compare and analyze the situations with your studio process. QA your studio, question and answer your studio creatives. With so many moving parts, you will need to be on your toes to help ensure your rich media creatives reach potential customers as you intend them to. The following concepts will explain the QA environment in studio. They are creatives by status, creative preview, approve and reject buttons, event summary, event log, preview options. The following are the tests in a basic functionality QA checklist. There exists video, audio, and animations, borders and dimensions, close and expand. In addition to the basic functionality, we also need to check that timers and counters are working properly, so that team has accurate data in their reports. there are some issues that will need to be corrected before the ad can be trafficked. It is reject. It is used when there is an error in the ad. The advertiser uses this option to make corrections before it is going to live. Raise awareness with dynamic creatives. Using dynamic creatives can help you reach a broad audience by customizing what they see based on a geography and demographics. Develop a dynamic campaign strategy. Use geo-targeting to reach more customers. Schedule your creatives to show at different times. Associate, link, and preview the creative. Influence users with dynamic creatives. Make use of targeting and filtering from your data in Campaign Manager and Display and Video 360 to deliver dynamic creatives that help consumers consider your brand. Identify your campaign goals. Target audience using Campaign Manager. Use data pass to update ads automatically. Associate and preview the creative. Measure the impact of a studio creatives. There are some dynamic elements to be noticed while measuring the impact of a studio in our creatives. They are dynamic element one with value ID, element one value, element 1 field value 1, element 1 field value 2, element 2 and element 2 value id, element 2 value, element 2 field 1 value, element 2 field 2 value. These are the elements to be noticed while measuring the impact that's been created on creatives by the studio. After completing all these lessons in this journey, at last you will able to take your qualified to take the test. After completing the test successfully, you will get the creative certification like this. Thank you for watching this video.